Hello, I want to welcome you today. This is Teresa Russell, owner of Scrapping for Less, and I want to welcome you today to the Save the Crafty YouTuber blog hop, sponsored or put on by Justine Hovey. And I would just like to share with you a few things. I have some products in my store that I've used today that'll be linked down below for you to purchase if you'd like, and you can head on over to the store and do that, or browse the store and see what else you might like. I'll include some other information later on in the video, but for right now I'm going to play some music while I start this project. I'm using the Gina K Designs Wreath Builder, and let's get started. Hi, I just want to share some information with you about the Save the Crafty YouTuber blog hop. I am going to link down below to Justine Hovey's blog post. On that blog post, there'll be lots of information about the hop. The winners of the prizes will be drawn on June the 10th. You must comment on all of the videos to be eligible to win a prize. Also, I just want to share with you that I will be giving away a $25 gift code certificate. I will email you a code to the Scrapping for Less store, so you can use it to purchase whatever you would like. So I just wanted to share that with you, and as I continue to work on this project, I am using, as I said, the Gina K Designs Wreath Builder. I'm also using the 2018 Add-on Ink Cube collection, and I am about to finish up here, and then I will be moving everything out of the way, and I will be working on the sentiment. I am going to use the sentiment, and I will be heat embossing that with some clear embossing powder, and that will be it for my card. I will let the video finish playing. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to thank Justine immensely for choosing me from my application. I'm not a very polished YouTuber. I'm not a very polished video maker yet. I'm trying to create content for my channel, so I just really thank you for being here and watching this video. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy the card. See you in the next one. See, I told you I wasn't very polished in this video making adventure. There's too much of the video left for it to just be silent. So here I am working on my sentiment. The sentiment says, life is better because of you. I have several different people in mind to give this to, so I'm not sure who I'm going to give this card to yet, but I do have several people in mind, one in particular. So I am taking my sentiment and I stamped it with VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and I am putting some clear embossing powder on it. I forgot to rub my embossing powder or my embossing buddy on there. I do that all the time. So, but anyhow, I didn't have any catastrophes. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back. I didn't have any foam tape handy, so I'm going to do that, and then just pop that on the front of my card, and then my card will be all ready to go. Thanks. All the information and links will be listed down below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want more videos, let me know what you'd like to see. Thanks so much. Bye.